Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can pair your LG washer dryer Vivace with the smartphone by LG ThinQ application. So in the first step, find the LG ThinQ app in the App Store or Google Store and install it. After that, if you're doing it for the first time, you have to register your account. You can use the Google to log in, so there's no problem. Okay, let's try to turn it on again. Now click on the app devices and accept the cookies, or not, as you wish. Okay, we have a freeze again, so let's start it again. Tap on the app devices. Okay, now select the type of your device. I'm sure let's pick the washers, the front load, and now we have to enable the location for this application. So go to the permissions, tap on the location and allow all the time or while they're using the app. Then go back to the application. Okay, let's again. Sorry, that's my fault. Okay, now scan the QR code of your device. How to find the QR code? Just open your door and you should find the gray sticker. Okay, now we have turned it on the device, then add a permission to the camera. Now hold the delay button for 3 seconds on your device. As you can see in the indicator, I think I lost the focus, so hold this button for 3 seconds until the indicator will be activated with the Wi-Fi. Now you have to enter your Wi-Fi password. So just give me a second again. Okay, we did the Wi-Fi button before, so click on the done, and now just wait. Then connect with the LG Smart network. And now I think the device is connected properly. So just wait for a confirmation of it. Okay, one more try for the Wi-Fi password. And as you can see, the washer was added, so the pair process is successful. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.